that AD, let this be D. AD is perpendicular at BC. This is the sign of perpendicular. ठीक है, परपेंडिकुलर बनाया क्यों है? क्योंकि 90 डिग्री ट्राइंगल होगा तभी हम ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज फाइंड आउट कर पाएंगे, नहीं तो कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. ओके, नाउ फाइंड आउट. अब ये पूरी 18 था. इफ आई हैव ड्रॉन द परपेंडिकुलर, सो दिस विल बिकम हाफ एंड हाफ बिकॉज दिस आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल था. सो हाफ हाफ में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम 9. दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम 9. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल ABD, right, ABD, if I'll apply the Pythagoras, this 90 degree है, 90 degree के सामने hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square, that is 15 square, is equals to sum of other two sides. So now this side is 9. Don't take 18. 18 is the complete side. So 9 square plus 80 square, right? 15 square is 225. 9 square 81 plus 80 square. This 81 will come here and get subtracted. So 225 minus 81, you are going to get 144, right? And we know that 144 is the square of 12. So on comparison, you will get AD is equals to 12 centimeter. So this side also we have got 12 centimeter. Now let's find out the value. Cos B. Cos B is B by H. Sin C is P by H, right? Cos B, B by H. This is the B angle. एंगल के बिल्कुल सामने परपेंडिकुलर. अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर है तो ये बेस होगा 9. हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑलवेज रिमेन द सेम. 90 डिग्री के सामने हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है एंड इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड ऑल्सो. हाइपोटेन्यूज हमेशा सेम रहती है इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द एंगल. आपको चेक करने की नीड ही नहीं है. अगर यहाँ हाइपोटेन्यूज हमने 15 लिखा है तो यहाँ भी 15 ही होगा, राइट? Now perpendicular, sin C के अकॉर्डिंग perpendicular. This is the angle. Angle के बिल्कुल सामने perpendicular. So this we have got 12. Both are getting cancelled by the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So I have got cos B is equals to 3 by 5 and sin C is equals to, cancel it, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. That is 4 by 5 and hence my answer. Okay, this is all about question number 7. Let us move to question number 8. Okay, question number 8, A part is exactly same as that of question number 7. So you are going to do it yourself. I am not explaining you. So question number 8, A part is your homework. Question number 8, B part. They are saying in the figure 2 given below, ABC is right angled at B. This is the figure. A, B and C. Okay, this is the figure given to you. This is right angled at B. Given that angle ACB is theta और ये एंगल हमें थीटा दिया हुआ है, right? Further, this is 2 units, this is 1 unit. You have to find out the value of sin square theta plus tangent square theta. The question is again very easy. First, by the Pythagoras, find out this side. This you know that 90 degree के बिल्कुल सामने hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equals to sum of other two sides. 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square is 4 plus 1. You will get 5. 5 is not the square of anyone. So AC हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? √5. ठीक है? डोंट थिंक ये तो किसी का स्क्वायर ही नहीं होता तो आंसर गलत है. इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. √5 आ जाएगा बिकॉज √5 into √5 इज योर 5. सो दिस साइड आई हैव गॉट √5. आई नीड टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा, राइट? साइन इज अगैन आई नो दैट P by H होल स्क्वायर. tan is P by B होल स्क्वायर, राइट? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. दोनों थीटा हैं. थीटा एंगल के सामने, दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू हाइपोटेन्यूज इज √5 स्क्वायर. फिर से थीटा एंगल के सामने परपेंडिकुलर, ये परपेंडिकुलर है तो ये बेस बचेगा. 2 by 1 होल स्क्वायर. सॉल्व इट. 2 square is what? 4. √5 square is, root से root cancel, you will get 5. √5 into √5 is 5 only. फिर से 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1 only. Okay, take the LCM, you'll get 5. Now 5 ones are 5, so 1 into 4, 4. 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So your answer is 24 by 5. This is your answer. Okay, this is all about the B part of question number 8. Let us do the C part. C part is, there's a figure given to you. A, B, D and C. This is 15 centimeter, 90 degree. Okay, and the question, it is given that sin B is 4 by 5 and tan C is 1 by 1. ठीक है, 1 दिया हुआ है तो 1 का मतलब 1 by 1 ही होता है. Let us deal with this first. Sin B is what? P by H. Come to this. P. B. B के सामने क्या होगा? Perpendicular. So this will be 4x. Right? This will be 4x. कोई भी इसको 4 नहीं लिखेगा. The moment you have written 4, the whole question goes wrong. जब भी ऐसे रेशियो के फॉर्म में दिखा होता है, you have to take with x. And hypotenuse is 5x. तो इस वाले ट्राइंगल में दिस इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज 90 के सामने, सो आई गोइंग टू टेक 5x. फाइन. नाउ फर्दर tan C. Tan C is again P by B. ठीक है, सो C के सामने परपेंडिकुलर, दिस इज योर 1x. नाउ द वैल्यू विल कम सेम. बेस इज अगैन 1, so this will also becomes 1x. ठीक है, now let's find out the value. Okay, by the x, let's, because हमारे पास x में है सारी terms, we have to find out by. now don't say कि मैम ये तो 1x है 4x है, nothing, ये हमारे पास है नहीं तो इससे तो हम पाइथागोरस से निकाल नहीं सकते. so we will use this triangle in order to find out the Pythagoras. 90 degree के सामने hypotenuse, so 5x whole square is equals to sum of other two sides. 15 square plus 4x square. 15 square plus 4x whole square. सिर्फ x के ऊपर स्क्वायर मत लगाना, it will become wrong. 5 square is 25. x square. 15 square 225. Now 4 square 16. x square. x square terms on the same side. 25x square minus 16x square. 225. 25 minus 16. What I will get? 25 minus 16 is 9. X square equals to 225. 9 is in multiplication here, so it will go here and divide. X square to be divided by 9. Okay, divided. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 2s are 6, 1 left, 25. So x square comes out 25 and hence my x comes out 5. Right, x comes out 5. Okay, now let's find out what I need to calculate is, we have to find out the length of AD. AD कितना है? 4x. so x अब हम निकाल चुके हैं 5, so 4 into 5 I will get 20. Okay, this is the very first part. now we have to find out the length of AB. AB is 5x. now 5x is 5, 5 5s are 25. तो ये हमारे पास 20 आ चुका है, ये 25 आ चुका है. थर्ड थिंग दे हैव आस्क्ड यू इज DC. DC is 1x. so 1 into 5 is 5, right? And further they have asked you the length of AC. this also they have asked you कि AC क्या होगा. ठीक है, now we can apply the Pythagoras because I have both the sides now. 5 मिल गया, 20 मिल गया. I need to find out this one also. Okay, so how you'll find out? You will get AC I need to find out. So AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equals to sum of these two squares, that is 20 square plus 5 square. Now 20 square is 400 and 5 square is 25, so I'll get 425. This is the AC square. Now if you don't know 425 किसका square होता है, don't get confused, do the prime factorization. 5 8s are 40, 2 left, 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8, 5 7s are 35, so we'll get 17, 1s are 17. That means ये किसी का perfect square नहीं है. So we'll get 5 under root 17. So the value of AC is 5 under root 17. Okay. Now once you have all these values, there is another part also. The another part tells us that show that tangent square B minus 1 upon cos square B equals to minus 1. You have to show this, right? Let's find out the value of tan B. Tan B, you know that. What is tan B? P by B whole square minus cos 1 upon cos. Cos क्या होता है? B by h. तो B h ऊपर चला जाएगा. B by h whole square. ठीक है? Equals to, you have to prove that this is equals to minus 1. So let's find out tangent B. B. This is B. इसके लिए perpendicular ये होगा 20 और base क्या होगा 15. So 20 by 15 whole square minus cos B. Similarly B के लिए निकाला है तो बेस तो सेम ही रहने वाला है 15 और हाइपोटेन्यूज कितना था 25. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. 20 square is 400, 15 square is 225, minus 25 square is 625 and 15 square is 225. LCM same, as the LCM and the denominators are same, so the numerators will also remain same. So 400 minus 625 and hence you are going to get minus 225. 225 से 225 cancel हुआ and here I left with minus 1 and hence my answer. Okay, I hope I am clear with all the questions. I have solved the maximum things. I have not left anything for you. So now your work left is to complete the work on time. Okay, thank you.